I went a little overboard. At 2 a.m. in the night, I went to Myntra because I thought I'll buy a couple of things for my trip next week. But this is what happened. So I thought, hey, why not do a try on haul? Because as a big girl, finding clothes that actually fit and look good on me is super tough. So I thought, why not show it to you guys? And maybe this might help. Like I said, I bought a lot of things. So let's divide this into 4 categories. One is, of course, clothes, bags, accessories, and one single shoe. And I'll show all of it to you guys. Let's begin with clothes. So let's open this. I haven't really opened it. I don't know how is this open, but I just didn't, I swear. But chalo, let's see what this is. Oh, okay. I think this is a night suit because I realized that a lot of my night suits are actually kind of old now. So yeah, so this is what I'll do is that I will send out. I will show you guys the pictures that was on the model and the price and the brand and everything. While I'm editing, I will add it somewhere over here and you guys can have a look. I'll also go ahead and link all of them in the description box so you guys can check it out. This is a shorts and a top sort of a situation. This actually looks pretty nice, like it feels soft and nice. I know that this is not too expensive, but I will again mention the price somewhere there, right? So you guys can have a look. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This is the second one. Let's open it. Alright, what is this? Oh, this is my second night suit. Wow, this is going well. Okay, so this is the night suit. It has a bottom and a top. There it goes. Again, this looks like it feels really good. It feels really soft, feels really nice. Okay, so this is like a full length thing that I bought. I hope this fits because this looks really, really comfortable. Okay then. Let's go for it. Yes, we are raw dogging it because who has the time to cut every parcel out? Okay, where is this? Where is this? Oh, I know what this is. So this is basically a skirt and a top. So one thing, right? As a plus size girl, I have always struggled to find my own style because यार honestly तुम वही पहनते हो जो मिलता है. Correct. Of course, over the years it's gotten better, and there are a lot of brands, right, which are now kind of open to like catering to plus size girls. And by a plus size, I don't mean 2XL and XL. No shade to anyone, but 2XL is not going to fit me, right? In India, as for the Indian brands, I'm a 6XL, and to find 6XL is really, really tough. So I'm just happy, that the brands are kind of now consciously thinking about it and actually catering to big size girls. Finding my own style at this size is not very easy. So what I have generally done is that if one thing, like say if I experimented with one thing and that stuck, so I've just kind of continued with it. Like I want to consciously kind of find my own style. I'll be kind of rating all of these clothes under 3 categories. A, does it look good? Do I feel beautiful in it? And is it comfortable? If it hits all of this mark, it stays. If it doesn't, then I'm going to return it. Let's go and open these up. Chalo, I've opened this. I think this is the skirt. It's a really cute skirt, like with ruffles. Oh god, I'm trying to figure out the waist. Okay, there's the waist. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's really cute, right? It's really girly. It has ruffles. It looks really, really cute. I really hope this fits, but we'll see it in the try on. With that skirt, I actually went ahead and bought a top. Now, I really, really went out of my kind of comfort zone because I think I bought a crop top. I think. Oh shit. First thought, I don't think I'll be keeping this because this is like scary level out of my comfort zone. So I haven't reached that stage where I can wear whatever I want and be comfortable in whatever I want because as a plus size girl, it's a journey, right? It's a journey where you wear something, you feel super conscious in it, and then slowly and steadily you kind of get comfortable with it. So if you're in your journey where you feel okay, hey, I want to wear a long kurta and jeans and that's what I'm comfortable with, please go ahead and do it, right? Don't let any influencer tell you that you need to wear the shortest of skirts and sleeveless and the croppest of top to say that you accept your body. Because accepting your body is not about wearing the shortest of dress. Again, there is no hate to anyone, right? Kudos to you. Please go ahead and do it. But the fact remains that I am on my journey and I might not be comfortable wearing something like this. But I'm open to try. I'm open to try and I'm open to experiment. So we'll see how this looks. Next, let's see what we are getting. Right. What is it? Oh, these are my t-shirts. Yes, these are my t-shirts that I ordered for myself. So this is how this looks. Okay. Okay, I really love the color. I know this fits. I know मैं हर एक like cloth item के लिए बोल रही हूँ कि I hope it fits, but I really hope that it does because this just feels really nice. The material looks nice. Like it looks like a breathable material. So I really hope it does fit. But this one is from Bewakoof again. I had loved this print, and that's the reason I picked it up. Okay, so on my first thought, I think this is a little bit more loose fit than that one. At least that's how it looks. Again, the material is almost the same. So yeah, I'll try this. So I wanted to buy like a cute sandal which is like comfortable but also something that I can wear like an evening wear, because most of the time I'll end up wearing shoes. So I was like चलो थोड़ा सा girly वाला shoes लेकर आते हैं. And this is what I got. I'm a size 40 I'm a size 40 in shoes, and this is how it looks. It's a very cute cream color thing. I'm happy with it. I think now we are moving to the bag category for sure. So I bought one bag in two colors because I was confused between black and white. So I was like, let's just try. Let's see which one I like more, or if I like any, and then I'll decide कि मुझे क्या रखना और क्या मुझे return करना है. One thing that is on my mind is that as a plus size girl, finding clothes, of course ये तो bag की बात हो रही है, but generally I was just thinking that finding plus size clothes in an offline store is not easy. So for someone like me, online shopping is a blessing, correct? Because I don't really have to go to each and every stand of clothes and go to the back of that rack and see कि भाई 6XL है भी या नहीं है, which 99% of the time नहीं होता. So online shopping has really helped me to explore a lot of clothes all at once in the comfort of my house. Secondly, again, I'm sure this is a shared experience where I think that the changing rooms are really tiny and they're really suffocating. At least मेरे लिए तो है. So for me, online shopping has been a huge blessing where I can order stuff that I want, try on whatever I want, and in the comfort of my house and my room, and जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आता मैं वापस भेज देती हूँ, right? So I think it's been a game changer for me. With that said, let's open these bags. Ooh, okay. So this is the bag that I bought. I wanted something that is, like that is big enough to put a lot of things in it, because when I'm traveling, like when I'm kind of hanging out as a tourist outside, I generally like to take my water bottle, I like to take my Kindle, I like to take my wallet, and like all the necessary items basically. And I wanted to, figure this out. Perfect. So this has like this three sort of opening where, of course, like there are like two magnetic clip sort of things, and there is like a zipper. So I bought the same thing in cream color. मुझे लगा था मैंने white order किया है, but this is cream. Chalo, let's look at this. Help me decide which one should I keep. Oh, something got. Wait. I think I forgot a clothing item. This is like a cute dress. Um, I just so ये brand I know. What was the name of this brand? Trendyol, Trendyol, Trendyol. So I have tried stuff from this brand. Their sizing is a hit and miss, but when it fits, it's really really good. So hence I wanted to try this because you can never have many black dresses. I think this is one of those bags that I had ordered. Okay, so I bought this bag from Kazo. Let's see. Surprise, it's cream in color. देखिए कितना क्यूट है यार, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा था एंड ये मैं रिटर्न नहीं करने वाली, मुझे पता है. दो मेरा रीजनिंग ऑफ बाइंग बैग्स, तो माय रीजनिंग ऑफ बाइंग बैग्स बस क्या सब फिट हो जाना चाहिए, ट्रैवल के लिए है. मैं नहीं रिटर्न करूंगी इसको. Okay, so I think I'm done with clothes, with one shoe and a couple of bags. Now we'll move on to accessories. Okay, so this is I think the accessory bit. I don't know इसमें क्या है. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think this is that bracelet bit of it. This is how it looks. Oh, now I know why people do this. I don't like how this looks because the gold is just like a little. I don't like this. I'll try it. I'll try and style it. एक बार देखती हूँ how I feel about this. But my first impression of this is not that great. Oh, this is a Palmonas, however you say it. This is a Shraddha Kapoor brand. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time. Okay, so this is a bracelet. This is heart bracelet. Okay, so I love things that I've had. I'm a little cheesy that way. Now, let's move on to the try on. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous because this can go really good or really bad. I said that I would be scoring my clothing items actually 3 points. Whether it looks good, whether I feel beautiful in it, and whether it's comfortable or not. So let's see how this goes. So that was my first Myntra haul. I hope you guys had a good time. Comment down below which clothing item was your favorite, and also let me know what are the brands that you guys prefer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.